ionization potential. Ionization energy. So, what is called an ionization potential? The minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron. There is nothing but outermost shell electron from an isolated neutral gaseous state atom is called ionization potential. So it is an endothermic process. Endothermic process means the electron removing compulsory requires some amount of energy. Absorb, takes. That's why there is an endothermic process. If due to the process the amount of energy is released, that is called exothermic process. So here I have given the removal of electrons from outermost orbital required energy is called ionization potential. The energy required to remove an electron from neutral gaseous state atom. Otherwise, first electron removing energy is called IP1. After that, the energy required to remove an electron from unipositive gaseous ion is called second ionization potential, IP2. Otherwise, the removal of second electron is called IP2, third electron IP3, fourth electron IP4, and so on. There I have given IP2 is always greater than IP1. Why? Because after removing one electron, the nuclear attraction increases on outermost electron. So IP2 is greater than IP1. Not only that, so one by one the electron removing difficultiness increase. So IP value increase. IP1 is less than, IP2 is less than, IP3 is less than, IP4, and so on. Then I have given factors. Which factors affecting on ionization potential? So nuclear charge. First one, nuclear charge. What about nuclear charge factor? Ionization potential is always directly proportional to nuclear charge. If the nuclear charge increase means the nucleus strongly attracted the valency electron. Because of that reason, required more amount of energy for the removing electron. So nuclear charge more, IP value also more. Second thing, I have given atomic size. Atomic size. So here, ionization potential is always inversely proportional to atomic size. So atom size increase, the nuclear attraction decrease on valency electron. So we removed it easily by using less amount of energy. So IP is always inversely proportional to atomic size. Small atomic size, IP more. More atomic size, IP less. Next. So third one. What I have given third one, screening effect or shielding effect. Screening effect or shielding effect. See this. Okay, here, what about screening effect or shielding effect? So here the repulsions between core electrons and valency electrons, inner orbits electrons and outer orbits electrons, that is a screening effect. Okay, here more screening effect means what I have given, the nuclear attraction decreases on valency electrons, so IP value decrease. So based on that, we can say screening effect. It is always inversely proportional to ionization potential. More screening effect, less IP. Less screening effect, more IP. Next. Fourth one. So electronic configurations. Electronic configurations. Nature of subshell. Nature of subshell. That is nothing but electronic configuration. So what about electronic configuration? See here. So I have given about electronic configuration before half filled and completely filled. Orbitals, electronic configurations, these are more stable. So generally, half filled, completely filled, half filled, completely filled. These electronic configuration elements are more stable. More stable means the electron removing is very difficult. So every atom to try to get stability by losing or gaining. Already stable means the electron removing is very difficult. IP value is more. For example, if you can take nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen atomic number 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 7 electrons. 2p3 means 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. If you can take oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. See this. Exactly, nitrogen electronic configuration p orbital is half filled. Half filled means p orbital 3 electrons, d orbital 5 electrons, f orbital 7 electrons. Completely filled means p orbital 6, d 10, f 14. It is a half filled. Half filled electronic configuration elements are getting extra stability. Half filled and completely filled, these are getting more stable. More stable means IP values also more. Okay, finally here what we can say, with respect to IP, nitrogen is greater than oxygen. Why? Because due to half filled electronic configuration. Half filled means it is more stable. More stable means the electron removing very difficult. Large amount of energy required. So IP is more. So I have taken N is greater than O. Finally, what is the statement? Half filled and completely filled. Orbitals, elements have more ionization potentials. More ionization potentials. That is one thing. At the same time. Next. So half filled, completely filled electronic configurations are there which have high ionization potential because due to more stability. And fifth one, penetration. See that fifth one, penetrating nature of orbitals. Penetrating nature of orbitals. Okay, here penetrating nature of orbitals. Penetrating power. passing through. So it is nothing but indirectly overlap, penetrating. Based on shape of orbitals, order of penetration power is order of penetration power is. So S is greater than P, P is greater than D, D is greater than F. Penetration capacity. Due to the spherical shape, S orbital having more penetrating capacity than dumbbell, P orbital. That is more than double dumbbell, D orbital. That is more than complex, F orbital. It is the penetrating capacity. So here, according to this, IP value is always directly proportional to penetrating power. Strong penetrating power, more ionization potential. Strong penetrating power and more ionization potential. Okay, after that, as the positive charge on cation increases, IP also increases. So one more point, see. So what I have given as the positive charge, on cation increases, IP also increases. For example, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3, like this given. So here, see, as the positive charge increase, IP also increase. If we can take here ionization potential order, Na is less than Mg, Mg is less than Al plus 3. Because all have 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons, but protons are 11, but here 12, here 30. So here what we can say, so here the electron removing is very difficult. 13 protons, more nuclear charge. More nuclear charge means strongly attracted the valency electron. So here IP value more. IP value more. That is one thing. So, and one more, as the negative charge on anion, negative charge, -1, -2, -3. As the negative charge on anion increases, IP value decreases. IP value decreases. So, negative value, if ON -3, O -2, F minus. Your negative value increases, IP value decreases. At the same time, if the valency electrons are more penetrated into inertials, IP increases. So here penetrating power of different orbitals means, so S electrons are generally strongly penetrated. Why? Because S electrons means S orbital, spherical shape. From nucleus to all directions, equal distance is present. So S orbital is a spherical. So S electrons, these are strongly penetrated the nucleus. So it is a nucleus. It is the S orbital, spherical. Electrons are there. Wherever the electrons are there, these are strongly, equal distance is present, strongly penetrated the nucleus. So it is greater. S penetrating capacity greater. P orbital dumbbell. So for example, electron here is there, somewhat penetrating capacity less. If nucleus DST is there, somewhat penetrating capacity more. That's why based on shape, the penetrating capacity changes. That's why I have given the penetrating capacity means it depends on shape. S is greater than P, P is greater than D, D is greater than F. Because slowly from we will move S to F, the shape's complicated nature increase. That's why the penetrating capacity decrease. That is the reason. Now, so ionization potentials. If you can take ionization potential, what about in group and periods. In group. Group means vertical columns are called groups. We know that. In group, top to bottom. Top to bottom, annihilation potentials always decreases. Why? Because in group, top to bottom, for example, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, like that. Okay, it is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, like that. So here, so down the group, what we are observed series, down the group, the top to bottom, here atomic size increase. Atomic size increase means IP value decrease. Atomic size IP value inversely proportional. So top to bottom any group IP value decrease. Because due to atomic size increase. Atomic size increase means the nuclear attraction on valence electron is less. Less means by using less amount of energy, we are easily remove the electron. So here that is group. Next, in period. Period. Period means left to right. Generally, if you are observed in left to right in period, IP value increases. So left to right in period, IP value increases. Why? Because I have given in a period left to right atomic size steadily decrease. Because of that reason, IP value increase. Generally, if we are observed ionization potential values, so left to right means left side first alkali metals are present. 1A2. Alkali metals. Okay, here last group 8A. 8A group, noble gases right there. Noble gases. So alkali metals. Generally, left to right atomic size slowly decreases. So atomic size decrease means IP value increase. So because of that reason, if we can take the graph, we are observed alkali metals having very low ionization potentials. Compared to other elements, first A group, alkali metals having, we are observed very low ionization potentials. Last elements, noble gases. Noble gases elements we are observed very high ionization potentials. High ionization potentials. So generally, total periodic table, total elements, the highest ionization potential belongs to, high IP belongs to helium. Total periodic table, highest ionization potential belongs to helium. Very low ionization potential, that belongs to cesium. Because alkali metals having very low. Alkali metals may rubidium, cesium, last element. Okay, sir, francium is there. But francium is a radioactive element. Radioactive elements are generally we have not considered that. Okay, radioactive element properties are different. We discuss separately that one. Because of that reason, so highest ionization potential belongs to helium. Lowest ionization potential belongs to cesium. Cesium belongs to first A group alkali metal. Helium belongs to noble metals. That is one point most important. Now, so ionization potentials. See, if we can take ionization potential in different periods. For example, total elements ionization potential identification definition is very difficult. They are given few examples. See. So if we can take lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. I will take the second period, mainly the important second period and third period these elements shown here. Okay, second period. If we can take second period, in second period elements, what are that? So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So it is a left to right. It is a second period. Now, so here generally what I have given in period left to right, IP value increase. Compared to lithium, beryllium is more IP. But here compared to beryllium, boron is less. Why? So according to rule left to right, IP value increases. So why I have taken like this? Listen. Why the beryllium ionization potential is greater than boron? According to rule, what we are expecting less than. Because if we can write beryllium electronic configuration for 1s2, 2s2. So 1s2, 2s2 means the s orbital completely filled. According to rule, generally, so complete fill means s orbital maximum number of electrons are 2. P orbital maximum number of electrons are 6. D10, F14 and so on. Complete filled orbitals electronic configurations. Okay, here boron, if you are observed, it is a 1s2, it is a 2s2, outermost 2p1. It is nothing but 2px1. We know about that. If you are observed here, see, beryllium, what we are observed here, there, beryllium, outermost s orbital, complete fill. Complete, 2 electrons, completely. S orbital, maximum number of electrons, 2 only. Because of that reason, the beryllium show greater ionization potential than boron. After that, boron is less than carbon. Compared to boron, carbon is greater according to rule. Compared to carbon, nitrogen is greater according to rule. Okay, after that, before I have given
oxygen greater.
अभी nitrogen oxygen compare करो.
Oxygen greater.
No, before what I have given.
Nitrogen greater.
Very good. Nitrogen is greater than oxygen. Why? Because see, here we are observed one more abnormality. Why here nitrogen is greater electronegativity than oxygen? Because nitrogen 7. I have given 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Half filled p orbital. Before I have given, according to factors, half filled, completely filled orbitals are more stable. Electronic configuration orbitals are more stable. More stable means more IP. The electron removing is very difficult. Already stable there. So, but oxygen not like that. Oxygen 8 electrons. See this 1s2, then 2s2, 2p4. 2p4 means 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. See, nitrogen due to half filled, p orbital is half filled. Because of that reason, it is the more stable. More stable means more IP. That's why the nitrogen shows higher ionization potential than oxygen. After that, common. Oxygen is less than fluorine common. Fluorine is less than neon common. It is the IP1. IP1 order. See. Second period, IP1, the electron removing. First electron removing order this one. Now, IP2. What is the meaning of IP2? The removing of second electron. Here somewhat confusion. See. Okay. It says second electron removing. Where it is difficult? See. Lithium. If you can take lithium, same beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Second electron. IP2 means second electron removing. So here lithium is greater than beryllium. Why? Lithium, see, its atomic number 3. So 1s2, 2s4.
Because of half filled and full filled.
Okay, see, lithium atomic number 3. So here, set IP2 means the removal of second electron. First electron already removed here. Second electron removing here very difficult. Why? Because complete s orbital, complete full. S orbital completely full हो गया. S orbital maximum number of electrons 2. So lithium second electron removing is very difficult. High IP than beryllium. Okay, beryllium second electron removing easy. If we remove the one electron, see, after removing one electron, beryllium second electron removing is easy because it is not complete field. It is not complete field. But here it is a complete field. Second electron removing here difficult. That's why I have given lithium is greater than beryllium. Understood that? After that, beryllium is greater than boron. That is common. Boron. Sorry, beryllium is less than boron. After that, boron is greater than carbon. There you go. Boron second electron means first electron removing means here. Second electron removing means here already complete field s orbital. So the boron second electron removing difficult compared to carbon. After that, nitrogen is greater. After that, oxygen is greater. But here, compared to oxygen, see, compared to oxygen, fluorine, oxygen second electron removing difficult. See here, oxygen first electron after removing, it is getting half filled. 3 electrons are there. Second electron means that is very difficult. High ionization potential than fluorine. So after that, fluorine is less than neon. This is the IP2. IP2. IP1 order, IP2 order. Here one thing most important, half filled or completely filled. Half filled means p orbitals देखना सिर्फ P3, D5, F7. Half filled P3, D5, F7. Full filled S2, P6, D10, F14. So based on this order is the correct. Now, so here one more. Sometimes based on ionization potential, here one question, simply say anyone. IP1 of beryllium is greater than boron due to why?
Half filled and full filled electron.
Very good. That is only. So why the beryllium ionization potential IP1 is greater than boron means due to completely filled s orbitals in beryllium, and one more thing, more penetration of s orbital. S orbital is more penetrating compared to p orbital. That's why the beryllium IP1 is greater than boron IP1. That is first thing. Second one. Okay, if we can take So their magnesium, ionization potential of magnesium is greater than aluminum. Same reason. If we can take
Full fill and half fill electrons.
as same reasons, ionization potentials of beryllium and magnesium and aluminum. Compare karo. Say anyone. If I have taken magnesium, aluminum, so now electronic configurations.
Magnesium is greater than aluminum.
Very good. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. This is here 1s2, 2s2. It is a 2p6, 3s2, total 6, 10, 12, 3p1. See this. Here I have taken. So magnesium and aluminum. Ionization potential of magnesium is greater than aluminum. Why? Because magnesium outermost s orbital is there, completely filling is there. At the same time, high penetrating capacity. Complete fill, high penetration, both reasons. Because of that reason, there the magnesium ionization potential is greater than aluminum. Understood that? Okay, one question.
Yes.
What about phosphorus and sulfur? Anyone?
Phosphorus is greater than sulfur.
Okay, see, first take the electronic configurations. Phosphorus, sulfur. It is a 15, it is a 16. When you can write the electronic configuration, then it will understood easily. So 1s2. Say electronic configuration 2s2.
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
2p6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 10 electrons completed. 3s2.
3s2,
3p3.
p3.
1, 2, 3. So here phosphorus 15 electrons, sulfur 16, 1s2,
2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4.
2p6,
3s2,
very good, 3s2,
3p4.
3p4. 3p4 means like this. Now see, out of 2, which is high ionization potential?
Phosphorus.
Very good, phosphorus. IP value of phosphorus is greater than sulfur. Why? What is the reason?
Full fill and half fill electrons.
Okay, it is the half fill. Due to the half filled p orbital electronic configuration. Due to the half filled p orbital electronic configuration, these are more stable. Phosphorus is more stable than sulfur due to half fill. More stable means required more amount of energy, more IP. So the phosphorus having more IP than sulfur. Understood that?
Yes sir. सर हम IP को IE भी बोल सकते हैं ना?
Okay, ionization potential or ionization energy, IE, both are same. There is no difference. Ionization potential is nothing but energy. Ionization potential or ionization energy. Some cases, few books they are given directly I. Only I. That is nothing but ionization potential or ionization energy. I. Okay. Understood this? Clear this concept?
Yes sir.